million. Apogee Productions was also responsible for the miniatures Die Hard, Ghostbusters 1 and 2, The Facade Adventure, The Towering Inferno, and the miniature Manhattan City of King Kong. Actually, King Kong himself was only 18 inches tall. The opening scene to this sequence you just saw was filmed from the lower right-hand corner right there, looking up Hollywood Boulevard. That truck that was driving down the street was located in our lobby. Anybody happen to see that? Okay. It's in there if anybody comes back later. What you see here is only 1/3 of the miniature. If we were to have the entire miniature here in the studios, it would take up all the theater here and most of the soundstage next door. Speaking of which, it looks like they're ready for you. So if you'd please turn to your right, go through.